welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Baby Caro. In case you're viewing this channel for your very first time and you haven't subscribed, kindly consider subscribing for more and more amazing video. Thank you guys for always coming back to watch my video. May God bless you so much. For the people supporting me, may God bless you wherever you are. Remember, we love you so much. Today is a good day. Today is a grand celebration day. I'm very happy. Stay tuned till the end of the video. I'm very sure you love the video.
Yeah.
If I talk so much, I've started speaking the way you always say. If I talk so much, let me introduce my sister first.
Yes.
To introduce herself.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Hi guys, my name is Diana Kemi from East Africa, Kenya. Guys, right now it's raining.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can show them.
Okay. Yeah, like it's raining. So just started right now. Yeah.
Yeah, so I hope we are audible enough, guys. Even I was being rained on a bit.
Sorry.
So guys, welcome back to Baby Caro's YouTube channel. We love you so much. And also guys, I hope you watch this video up to the end. There is more and more entertaining vlog to come. And guys, remember, we love you so much. If you haven't subscribed at Baby Caro, kindly consider doing so. And also at my channel at Diana Kemi, kindly consider doing so, guys. Big love. Big love. So today we wanted to treat our masons. They have been doing great job. We wanted to make them some nice meal, guys. And I hope they will like it because they have been so hardworking and working every day, waking up so early, doing their work diligently like it's their own work.
Yeah.
And they have been doing work with a lot of speed. So guys, we saw why not give them a special treat today. So today we're going to cook for them some nice meal. They've already taken breakfast, so this is just lunch. And guys, I hope you stay tuned. And big love. Yeah,
we love you from this side. I'm very sure they'll enjoy the special treatment. Like it's a celebration, a little celebration. Yeah, they'll enjoy. We'll also enjoy. Stay tuned till the end of the video and tell us about this small celebration, how you think about it. Like, I'm very sure you love it. Like, comment, share, and please don't skip the ads. Remember, we love you so much from Kenya here in Africa. Yeah, stay tuned. We love you. Yeah. Small bro here. He'll be helping me in cutting the chicken. Yeah, so Kurambi, hi. Yeah, so let's start. Our waterfall gali is ready, so we are going to prepare it right away. we leave it for some time to boil, then we'll later stir it very well till it becomes perfect, very nice, very sweet. So let's give it some time to cook. Yeah, see the it's gentle. Well, the reason I'm putting this jiko to face this side is because I'm putting it the direction from which the wind is blowing from, so that it cannot like go off quickly. You know, when you put it from inside, it won't be that strong heat. So that's why it's facing this one. The wind passes inside and it becomes like very active. Yeah. With time we'll be preparing like the cassava ugali. It's the best when you eat it with meat, or the ugali from millet flour. Very sweet, very sticky, very good when you take it with stew. Let's give it some time to cook, then it will be almost ready. Stay tuned, guys. I love you.
Yes, I want to wash these tomatoes. Oh my god, the water is cold.
No, there's some water here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
This one.
So I'm going to wash this first.
Like we want to prepare some kachumbari.
Yeah.
Yeah, a mixture of tomato and onions. Yeah. Even if you want, you can mix the coriander to bring some sweet flavor and smell.
Yeah, but though we didn't bring the coriander,
Yeah.
so we're going to use the tomatoes
And onions. Yeah.
Yeah, where are the onions?
It was here. So meanwhile, I put our meat here so that it can boil a little.
You salted it,
Yeah, I put some salt.
dry it up.
Yeah. So I didn't put any water. The water which you're seeing it's boiling from, it's from the meat itself, like it's trying to drain itself. Yeah, so we give it some time meanwhile as you prepare the tomatoes. Yeah.
You bring another plate. Wow, show it. I should start with these ones.
Yeah.
So these ones are well washed, guys.
Yeah.
So I'm cutting these in a good way. Let me do this fast so that my plate can remain dry.
Yeah.
Like this. So I slice them like this. I cut them into thin slices.
Yeah. And these tomatoes, they are very red, like they are from the shamba. Yeah. You know, the one from the greenhouse, it's from outside it looks ripe, but when you cut it, it's not that juicy.
And you get some, especially the ones for GMO, that is genetically modified.
Yeah.
They don't have seeds.
Oh yeah.
Even oranges, for example, they don't have seeds, which is not, you know, good.
Yeah. So the best one should have like seeds.
Seeds like these.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is a natural one.
And it's best when you're preparing some sweet meals, like preparing stew. Like when you put like 3-4, you get some thick soup. Yeah.
This,
You're done.
with
Wow.
this one. And now we go to the onions. So we just remove the outer layer. These ones. You know, onions, when you look at them directly like this, you can cry.
You can cry. Yeah. Like it's maybe a biology, because I don't know where is it like a smoke, like how it comes and enters inside your eye. I've never seen anything. You just, when you put your eyes closer, you start crying.
Yeah.
Like you've never seen anything coming out of it.
But
Yeah.
you just cry naturally.
Yeah.
Without someone beating you.
No. So if you want to cry, you just cut some onions. Yeah.
And you cry.
Yeah.
I'm avoiding looking at it because I've started crying.
Oh yeah,
Already?
I can see.
Already.
You don't cut yourself.
No, I can't cut myself.
Yeah, she's looking aside so that she can't cry. But you know, it's very painful when it enters inside your eye. You feel like you should press your eyes.
You close your eyes.
Yeah, yeah,
And then, maybe rubbing your eyes.
yeah.
Yeah, and also when you, people say that when you cry like this, you're washing your eyes. I don't know if it's true, guys. Is it true?
Maybe you can know in the comment section.
That anything that is impure in your eye gets washed
Get
away.
out.
Yeah, but
somehow it's true.
somehow,
Yeah.
yeah. I don't know. I don't know if it's a myth or what. But I hear some people saying like that. You know?
Yeah.
But another good hack which we didn't use.
Yeah.
You can cut the onions into a half, place them in water, and then after placing them in water, you won't cry when you cut them.
Oh.
Place them in water for some time, but
You've ever tried that one?
yeah, it worked.
Wow.
Though we didn't do that.
Like the water absorbs all that crying. My English is bad. Like it absorbed the biology behind. Yeah, maybe you can know the comment section how that science works when you put it inside the water.
Sure.
Yeah. Guys, I'm transferring it inside here so that we can roast it. Let it to like cook a bit. These are wire mesh here. You can use it even for roasting some maize. Yeah. So guys, let's start with our first. So I'll be putting like small portions. When you want to regulate the heat, like these jiko, you know, when you close it like this, when you want it to be on low heat, you just close this window here so that it cannot like get burnt quickly, so that it can cook just slowly. And when you see like the heat is too small, again you open this window from outside here, then you maintain it. Yeah, let's give it some time. These ones, they are already cooked, so I'm just removing them. They are like very dry. Final result, it looks very yummy, some sweet smell, so I'm going to serve right away so that they can leave because it's almost raining. Yeah, let us serve. liver for chicken. Yeah. So this is I'll put it from the side. Some onions. Then we serve with some ugali. This is how our meal looks like, very yummy. Welcome to our grand celebration of our Masons. We appreciate them. May God bless them so much for doing some good work. Yeah, they are just sitting right there. I'll be taking for them some food. Yeah, let's go. Now I want to yeah, let's go. Nakuja kuomba, acha niletee mtoto. After this, I'll bring them some water for washing their hands. Okay, one. God bless this meal. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. Wow, guys, thank you so much for watching this video till this point. I really appreciate you. May God bless you so much. Thank you so much for always supporting us. We really love you from this side. And maybe Diana, if you have some last words.
Yeah, guys, I'm always grateful for you guys. You guys are the best.
Yeah.
That's what I want you to know. And thank you for giving us encouragement, advice, you know. Yeah, the people who can be negative, but you guys are there for us. You guys are there to encourage us, to push on, to never give up. I really love each and every one of you. Yeah, thank you. Put some sweet comment down, and also put some like. Don't forget to share the video. And guys, we love you so much. Big love. Guys, if you haven't subscribed at Baby Caro, kindly consider doing so. If you haven't subscribed at Diana Kemi, kindly consider doing so.
Yeah.
Big love.
Big love. Yeah, today we really enjoyed the small celebration. We feel happy. We feel excited. We feel like we are very happy today. I don't know how I can express it. Yeah, and thank you so much for always supporting us. May God bless you so much. Thank you for the advice, for the prayers, for the encouraging us. Yeah, we really appreciate you. May God bless you so much. We hope again to meet on tomorrow's video, same time, same place, just here. We love you so much. We will tell them bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye. We love you.